Shack Pack Travel Organizers with Laundry Bag. Hello there, welcome to the review of Shack Pack Travel Organizers with Laundry Bag. This is one of the best travel organizers, and it's selected as Amazon's choice. It has different colors. Please explore the link to know more. Now, let's see the features of this product one by one. The 4 packing cubes sizes are extra large 17.5 x 12.75 x 4, large 13.75 x 12.75 x 4, medium 13.75 x 9.75 x 4, small 11 x 6.75 x 4. It has high-quality zippers with extended zipper cord. It's made from high-quality water-resistant nylon material to withstand the wear and tear of traveling. Moreover, X designed with double stitching creates a strong reinforced lid to hold your clothes in place and prevents the bag material in the middle to fold upwards. Furthermore, it has 4-inch deep design allows you to fit all the clothes you need into our bags. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.